Hello everyone, this is Matt from YIS Marine. Today I would like to do a quick introduction of our standard size battery switch series, the BE series battery switches. What we have here are larger size battery switches compared to our popular compact size battery switches. So these are basically a direct upgrade from the smaller ones with larger size and larger rating. The standard size battery switches come with 98 x 98 mm in square in size and the mounting screw hole pitches of 76.2 x 76.2 mm, matching the exact footprint of BlueSea's popular E-series battery switches. This will allow a direct replacement of the old battery switches with our new BE series battery switches, and it will be a good alternative in the aftermarket. These battery switches are rated at 400 amps continuous and 600 amps intermittent. So BlueSea's E-series is rated at 350 amp continuous and our BE series is rated 50 amps higher than theirs. This is of course tested in our lab, and which we will get back to you later. This series also comes with an on-off main switch and then 1-2 both off selector switches, 2 versions, and there will be a dual circuit model coming up, and we will keep you updated, so please stay tuned for that. In its appearance, it comes with our signature pattern ergonomic knob design, and it is also removable for anti-theft considerations. It has 4 openings on 4 sides of the battery switch, so it gives you great flexibility of wiring. The housing is made of robust glass fiber reinforced nylon, so it can hold up to 220 to 240 Celsius degrees temperature. Holding in hand, you will feel its sturdiness in design, and its more premium feeling in terms of its outlook, comparing to most of other battery switches of this size in the market. Inside our battery switch, we have utilized the one-piece stud design, which means that the stud and the copper bars are riveted directly onto the housing, so it will never get loose. Compared to traditional battery switch using stud and nut to fix each other onto the housing, this one-piece design would ensure strong and firm connection that will never get loose at all times, and save extra space on stud terminal lengths in the back of the battery switch. The BE series are targeting at the US market, so it comes with an imperial threading of 3/8 inches. But if you have a ring terminal designed for M10 stud, it will be compatible as well. We can also customize this into matrix threading of M10 studs with an MOQ if requested. Another highlight of the BE series is the AFD feature, the alternator field disconnect. This is a extra safety feature that prevents the diode inside an alternator from burning down when the battery switch is accidentally turned off when charging. So when you are charging the battery through the battery switch from the alternator, if you cut off the path while charging, the voltage inside the alternator will keep rising until a certain point that you will burn down the diode inside the alternator. The way it works is that you connect the AFD port in the back of the battery switch to the field terminals in the alternator. When you turn the battery switch from on to off, in the halfway, the AFD port will be cut off and disable the alternator. And then the main circuit of the battery switch will then be cut off later. This way, we can always ensure the charging power will be turned off before the charging path is cut off. AFD feature is an optional feature, so if you prefer AFD models, you will need to order BF443A or BF444A with an A in the end. The AFD version will have these 2 extra small ports in the bottom of the battery switches, compared to this one without the AFD feature. Now getting to the testing part, thanks to all the internal design upgrades mentioned above, we are able to boost the rating of the BE series to 400 amp continuous. This is 50 amp higher than BlueSea's E series, which is 350 amp. All of our battery switches have tested strictly following UL1107 standard for temperature rising test. They have also passed ISO8846 or SAE-J1171 ignition protection test certificate by third-party lab, which means that they are good to install in the engine room that may be full of flammable gases. This can save a lot of installation costs on heavy gauge cables. The battery switch is also IP66 rated, so it can endure strong water jet from all directions for 3 minutes. And we are also applying patents for this product in Taiwan and China as a proof of our originality and design and research capabilities. We will upgrade our website once we have the patent approved. Okay, I think this is it for today's introduction. I hope you like our video and let us know if you have comments and questions. We will be back soon. Please also subscribe if you haven't. We will bring in more products for you from time to time. Thanks and bye-bye.